Introducing Group 1. Emmanuel Danso, Marilyn Dinsey, Rubni Sakneswaran, Shahani Senanayaka and Siobhan Nair. This is our Management Information Systems presentation on ASOS, also known as seen on screen. ASOS is UK's largest independent online fashion and beauty store. As seen on screen, an online clothing and beauty retailer determined by the trends of celebrities. As suggested by their objective, they have been successful in attracting a high amount of customers within the UK and overseas. This includes 5 million unique visitors a month, catering for all genders and ages. Efficiency has been met through various means of information systems. Through the use of warehouse management systems, stock can be effectively found by calculating the most effective route around the warehouse, allowing up to 25 orders at the same time. Up to 1,000 items of stock are added to the website every day, allowing customers even more range than before, helping the growth of their website and gradually achieving ASOS's objective. As ASOS do not have a physical store and are only online, their website has a lot more content than most others. High street brands such as Miss 60 and FC UK advertise their clothes on ASOS so that they are able to cover a whole range of bases. Not many other websites tend to men's and children's fashion as extensively as ASOS. They also have a special section that caters to designer wear and beauty products. Very few online fashion stores provide catwalk clips of models with the ASOS clothing and a 360-degree view for a majority of their clothes. This gives ASOS a very high competitive advantage as customers can often be misled by a product. ASOS also provide an international delivery service. This can be accessed almost anywhere in the world, developing their worldwide brand name. The company provide a monthly online magazine. This magazine includes special features such as seasonal trends, celebrity interviews and fashion shoots. The unique twist is that you can order the clothing that you see in the magazine straight away, as the items are on the website. ASOS Life is a social network where customers can share their experience of the ASOS clothing and trends that they have tried, as well as post suggestions towards the clothing and the site. It is a very strong attribute, as it keeps people interested in the site as well as forming an ASOS community. It allows customers to feel that ASOS care about their opinions and value their purchases. The website also has an outlet section. This service allows ASOS to sell their end-of-line clothing or clothing from a previous season at a discount of up to 75% off the retail price. This provides opportunity for all types of shoppers to benefit from their website. Later on in the year, the company will be releasing a section called ASOS Marketplace, where all customers will be able to sell other customers their own clothing. Online transactions have been designed to improve the means of internet shopping for the customer and the process of online transactions in the warehouse. A carrier management system links the weight of a parcel which is to be shipped to a computer, which then registers the data and a keyboard to enable the operator input into the computer. The weight determines the shipping charges for a number of carriers and shipping classes. A second memory is received and stores discount data if applicable to the purchase. ASOS uses more than one carrier to ensure the smooth delivery of goods to their customers. This system works at a higher level of efficiency by implementing just-in-time, a strategy through which a company strives to increase the return on investment by reducing in-process inventories and carrying costs. The success of any organisation relies on the efficient flow and processing of information. For example, ASOS uses ERD to track the efficiency of an order being made by a customer online, from the very first step when the customer logs into their account to the point where they click on the order confirmation button on the website. The database management systems are warehouses of information where large amount of data can be stored. The common examples in commercial applications are inventory data, personal data, etc. The ASOS website itself is one large database, as their warehouse is the only physical asset they own. As there are no physical high street stores, it's a virtual database where the searches are queries, allowing the use of database management systems to be highly useful in storing various information, such as the customer's password or checking the size of a product that has been purchased online. Structured Query Language (SQL) would be used on the ASOS website to retrieve information that is needed from their databases. SQL is a data manipulation language which is a tool for accessing and manipulating information in database management systems. This is particularly relevant when ASOS send information via email about particular products. In order to not get confused or send the wrong information to the wrong people, when sending information regarding female clothes, they send an email to all their female customers via SQL. Designing effective websites requires technical consideration, a solid and consistent structure, and personality and visual organization. ASOS delivered these considerations to their consumer through clear navigation, dynamic photography, and the aforementioned individual catwalk videos. The ASOS website must ensure that the customer enjoys an optimum online shopping experience. A major disadvantage for a customer of online shopping is the inability to see how an item of clothing, footwear, or accessory may look on them. A concept that could potentially be introduced to the ASOS website is the virtual dressing room. The idea is to be able to create a virtual figurine of oneself, including body shape, dress size, top and trouser size, also including shoe size. The feature also allows us to include skin tone, hair and eye colour. This enables a customer to see how a product suits them, their figure, their skin colour and hair. Customers can create outfits by mixing and matching the products they desire on the virtual model. This online facility will heighten popularity amongst customers, add to existing competitive advantages against other competing retailers, and a potential step forward for ASOS to reaching their goal as a high-in-demand niche market. As we have just shown through our presentation, ASOS is heavily dependent on information management systems. Their carrier management system has shown improvement to efficiency and a faster delivery service. Entity relationship diagrams have assisted the company in the adequate movement of relevant data and information through the main system from department to department. Databases are a secure knowledge bank for the simple storage of all data required for any function within the organization. In ASOS's case, customer, product, and order details can be accessed with ease and in a visually simplified manner. With the assistance of database management systems, structured query language has helped ASOS manipulate data on a wider scale depending on their query. Specific queries, such as newsletters targeted at all the male customers about a special offer, can be sent with the use of structured query language. In conclusion, ASOS has used management information systems to the best of their ability, enabling them to be the dominant leader within their market. Thank you for listening. I hope you have enjoyed our presentation on ASOS and have given you an insight as to how information management systems have played a key role in the success of ASOS, the UK's largest independent online fashion and beauty store.